And it's great because I think I will not achieve this without the challenge.
In my previous job, I never really got a chance to like connect my colleagues. I feel like that. So you guys really feel like my second family. So thank you everyone.
I think it's nice to have an environment where everyone is so supportive of each other.
My dad uses it at least once a day, so but my father don't use
Bring some style to you if you do not have any style at all.
Hey, this one look like the center point give me one.
Hey,
When you walk out of the room, right, super confident. Never so confident before.
I'm pretty sure most of you haven't tried yet. Okay,
So this is not like what Xiao Yi said. She said that this is a protein shake.
okay, it's more compact and it's a very great build quality.
I can assure you it will be one of the most valuable gifts.
Mine is also very valuable.
Oh no!
What?